Hi everyone! Welcome to the Handmade Cars channel. I've made a Tesla Model XP100D from plasticine. This handmade car is completely made from plasticine. I'm gonna break it and conduct a crash test. I've detailed the car. The doors can be opened as in the original one, mimicking a gull wing. Since it's plasticine, it can be easily deformed. You can take this car and easily bend it in your hands. Plasticine imitates metal quite well during collisions. So I'm going to conduct a crash test of this car. How am I going to break this Tesla? I built a lane on the floor to make the remote control car speed up. And at the end of this lane, this car is going to crash into the Tesla. This is that remote control car. It's very fast. It can reach speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour, which is very good. The body of the car was also made from plasticine and painted in the style of Mad Max. It's been quite a good impact. It hit the Tesla with a wheel. Even a trace of the tire has remained. The bumper got damaged, and you can see that the paint has also cracked.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball. You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional in the notion.
Oh damn, it was a tough impact. The bumper has sunk inside. The hood went up and broke off from the fastenings. The front wheel also moved. I think it turned out pretty realistic. This collision happened to the left wheel. The car brake disc got bent and slightly hit the door. That's how the Tesla got damaged in this collision. I guess we can stop bumping into the front part, cause it's already severely damaged. I thoroughly wiped the right side of the Tesla. There are quite realistic scratches. Plasticine looks quite realistic, and it also hit the rear bumper. Hit the Tesla with the wheel right into the headlight. It got a rather strong dent. That was a really tough impact. I can't believe it. How everything got damaged. The trunk was completely moved to the rear seats. Now let's check the side door.
Yeah.
I guess the side impact has been the most epic. Everything got seriously destroyed. Even the seat in the car bent over upon the impact. I haven't dropped cars from a height in a while. I need to fix that. Well, that has been a bit weak. I'll try to drop it harder. That's what I wanted. It's already skewed. Look how the wheel crushed from falling. It's become flat. That's tough. I'll stop crashing this car and I'll show you how I made this car from plasticine step by step. I hope you liked this video, and it was interesting to you to watch how I was crashing a handmade car. A copy of Tesla XP100D. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I have a lot of similar videos for you. The quality of the cars will be getting better. I'll do my best. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!